Hey Millennium Minders, I'm super excited to share with you in this video how you can make between $100, $200, $300 per day on Google with this simple business model trick that I found by uploading videos to Google. I've actually been doing this strategy for quite some time. I've been ranking videos on Google, the #1 page of Google for businesses, for websites, for quite a while, pretty much the whole of 2019. And I've got payments on my PayPal account from businesses that has paid me for this strategy already. So I'm going to show you my earnings proof from this method. And you can see if I go straight down to April. I'm just going to cover out the names as it is confidential information. From February, you can see here, I got a recurring payment of 47 euros, 83 dollars, 28 euros, $26, $94, $31, $113, $38, $31, $38, and a lot of these are reoccurring payments for businesses that are paying me to rank their website or video. But in this video, we're specifically talking about ranking videos. And I'm going to show you how you can earn with this method just like this, and you don't need any knowledge, any skills or investment to get started, as I have everything for you that you need in each step in this video. So it is essential that you watch each step by step in this video. And also, I have a $90 bonus program or software that you are going to get in this video for free. But you need to watch this video until the end to understand how the software works, so you can learn how to use it and how you can make money with this program. And I also have a whole bunch of freebies for you again, as well as perfectly made templates for you. So let's get straight into it. And the first thing you want to do is you want to open up a new Google tab, and you want to search a business, whether it's in a specific niche in your local area or without your local area, wherever it may be. It can be any town, any city. So in this case, I'm going to use Johannesburg, which is a very popular city, the biggest city in South Africa. So I'm going to go Johannesburg dentist, for example. I'm going to use the dentist niche again, and you will see there's a whole bunch of businesses listed on Google Maps. There's some websites, mainly text, more and more websites, contact pages. But do note on this web page that there's not a single video listed on the home page. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you can get these businesses a video listed on the #1 page of Johannesburg dentist in this example, and how you're going to get paid for that. So let's use this one here, Dr. Jonathan Miller, which seems like a good dentist in Johannesburg. And then the first thing you want to do is you can see they've got all the business information here. They've got a professional website. You want to come over to another website called Flixpress.com. And Flixpress.com is an online video maker that is going to produce amazing quality videos already made for you for these businesses that you can use. And this is a paid program, Flixpress, or paid website, but you can create a free account, but your features are very limited. And you can see if I come over to the automated templates, I'm using a free account as I haven't actually paid for the premium account yet, but the premium account is about $1 a month, and you get a bunch of premium ad templates that you can use, which is fantastic. And you can see I've got free templates, and if I come over to the ads, okay, they've got here group question ads. I'm going to click on this, and you can see they've actually got a dentist ad for you already made, which is fantastic. So if I click on the preview, you can see that this is quite a professional video, and you can see So you can see here they actually have your website and number that you can customize in this video. So what you can do is instead of having a website and a number, you want to put on this text more information in the description below, and then you can continue playing this ad. It's a 30-second ad. And they've got more text here, so again you can have more information in the description. You can when you customize this video, you can have second text as well. And then this part's pretty important, so you can also add a product photo, your final title, and more description here. So for a product photo, you can actually come to Google and you can type in beautiful girl smiling, for example. So you can find for example a beautiful smile with white teeth, because obviously that's related to dentistry. So this is quite a pretty professional image that you can use. So you can download this image and save it on your hard drive, and you can upload it to this product photo when you are customizing this picture or this video. And for this final title, you can have, for example, Dr. Jonathan Miller Dentistry as the title, and then more information in the description below as the text where it says your site. You don't want any advertising such as numbers or emails in the actual video, as I'm going to show you where that goes now. So once you've customized this video, once you've created it, you want to come to a website called vmblaster.com. So this is the website with the program that is going to automatically list your video. It's going to create an automatically made title, description, and tag for your videos already that you just need to copy and paste into your video when uploading it to YouTube, and it's going to rank it on the #1 page on Google. And you can see if I come down to the bottom of this page, here we are. This software costs normally $97. I'm going to show you how you can get this for free at the end of the video, so make sure you keep on watching. So now that I've got this program, okay, I'm going to quickly open up this program. You can see this is what the program looks like. They've got a dashboard, keywords, video details, and niche analysis. So for the main keyword, you want to type in Johannesburg dentist. And you want to ensure that find competitors and get search results is checked, and then you want to click on research keyword. And what this program does is it combines a whole bunch of titles, descriptions, popular phrases related to the keyword that you searched with other websites, videos, popular websites on the internet, on Google, and it builds a perfectly made title and description and tags based on the specific term that you've searched, which is really fantastic. So this information, the title, description, and the tags is what's going to rank your video on the #1 page on Google. And while this is running, it's going to take about 5 to 10 minutes to do its search. I'm actually going to show you proof of one of my videos that I got ranked onto the #1 page of Google, and I actually made a video on this. So in case you haven't had a look at it, make sure you go and check that video out so you can learn how to do this with your videos as well. So you can see how I ranked #1 on Google in under 24 hours. So I've got, if I play this video, you can see on the screen, I actually did a search, get paid to collect emails, and my video got listed on the #1 video recommendations in under 24 hours. You can see 23 hours ago on the screen, and it got listed on the top page of Google, and that is because I used this program, the VMB Blaster, which is a fantastic program. So I'm going to get back to you once the search is done. And you'll see once the search is complete, or the audit is complete on that specific keyword, there's a whole bunch of other different keywords related to this specific keyword that is also very popular. So you can see the one that you searched, Johannesburg dentist, is popped up at the top. So you want to make sure this is copied, and you can see a whole bunch of other ones, dentist in Johannesburg, Johannesburg dentist doctors, emergency dentist, Lister building, Johannesburg dentist, University of Johannesburg dentistry. So a whole bunch of popular keywords related to this term. So now what you want to do is you want to copy this main keyword again, and you want to come over to the video details tab, and you want to click on from competitors, and you'll see a tab will pop up like this saying main keyword, and you want to paste that same main keyword, Johannesburg dentist, and you want to ensure target related videos also is checked, and generate sentences by scraping from Google is also checked. You can leave research keywords, find competitors, and generate saved description tags unchecked, as that's not really important. So once it's done, click start generating, and what the program's going to do is it's going to generate that title, description, and all the tags that you need to rank on the #1 page of Google. So you can see it's built a beautiful title, description, and tag for you. So now all you want to do is you want to come over to YouTube, and you want to upload a video like a normal video that you would, upload video, and you want to upload this video that you have constructed on Flixpress.com and download it to your hard drive. So then you want to click on file, the upload button on YouTube, and you want to come over to that video that you have uploaded or created on Flixpress. So you can see, I'm just going to clear my description and my title. All you want to do is you want to copy this title from VMB. So I'm going to copy this title, and I'm going to change it a little bit. I'm going to put dental clinics in Johannesburg, Dr. Jonathan Miller. So all I'm going to add is I'm going to add dash Dr. Jonathan Miller, as that is the name of this specific business that we are targeting. So I've got here Johannesburg dentist, Johannesburg dental clinics, Johannesburg, Dr. Jonathan Miller as a video. And then for the description, all you want to do is you want to come back to the Google Maps page, and you want to copy the address. So you can copy that address, you can paste it here, the address, and you also want a contact number. So I'm going to put the contact number, and you can add that from the Google page or the Google Maps page, and then also the email, so that you can get off the website. They are most likely have a contact page. You can see, here is the email at the top, dentismile@mweb.co.za. And you want to paste this email. So you want none of this information in the actual video, as I explained previously. This you just want in the description. And then what you want to do is you want to type in metadata, and underneath this you want to paste everything from the VMB program in the description. So copy all of this, come back to your upload tab, and just paste all of it, as this is the metadata needed to rank your video #1 on Google. And then all the tags, same thing, copy all of the tags or select all of the tags, Control C, come down to the tag section on YouTube, and Control V to paste all of those tags. So these are all of the tags, descriptions, and titles that you need. So once your video is ready, you can click publish and you're good to go. Give it about 10 minutes to a couple of hours, and the video is most likely to be #1 on YouTube, or on Google, sorry. And then what you want to do is you want to come back to this website, you want to copy the email, and you want to contact them via email. You can phone them if you like. They've also got a phone number, and I've actually got a perfect ready-made template for you that you can use when you want to contact them. So it's going to go something like this. Hey there, I have ranked a video on Google's #1 page for the term, the town, and the niche. So in this case, Johannesburg dentistry, so the town and the niche, where hundreds to thousands of people view this page on a daily basis. This could be potential traffic and customers coming through the door of your business. How would you like to have your contact information in the description of this video? If so, this will cost you $100 USD to keep this video with your contact information on the #1 page of Google. I can email you a sample of the video before we go ahead. As proof, I can publish the video on the first page of Google, and if you decide not to go ahead, I can take the video down. Because obviously the business, it's always nice to give proof first, as anybody could contact this business asking for $100 to post a #1 or video on the #1 page of Google. So it's always best to show them proof first, and if they don't want to pay you, if they don't want to do business, just take the video down. And as you can see, there are a ton of other businesses that you can go and contact and choose from. And then if you have any queries or would like to know anything, you're welcome to contact me on my number or email, and I look forward to hearing from you. Kind regards, your name. So this is a fantastic template you can use to email this business that you want to target and get their video listed as #1. And as you saw on PayPal, I've been earning on this strategy for quite some time. There are businesses in the world doing this, earning 6 figures a month, posting videos, getting them ranked #1 on Google for businesses, and really getting these businesses a lot of traffic, and they're getting paid a lot of money for this. So this is the secret I've revealed for you guys on this strategy. And then obviously the bonus that I want to show you how to get this program, the most important or the most essential part of this video, Video Marketing Blaster Pro, for free, where it costs $90, but I'm going to show you how you get this for free. So I've actually got a copy of this program. It's an older version. I'm going to quickly go to my hard drive, software, and I've actually got the Video Marketing Blaster Pro folder for you guys. The program for you guys that you guys can run, and it will open up. You don't need any license, you don't need any login details. I'm going to show you how this works. So I'm going to create a new folder for you guys. I'm just going to quickly paste this RAW or the zip file for you here, and I'm going to extract this. And I'm going to leave this program or this file available for download. In order for you to download it, you need to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you leave the notifications on so that I can leave a message for you every time I upload a video, and comment down below, I subscribed, and I will reply to that comment with the download link. So you can see I've extracted this file. You want to open it up. There's going to be another file within this. You want to open up that as well, and you'll see the exe is here, Video Marketing Blaster Pro. You just want to run this, double click on it. It's going to ask you for admin rights. Click yes, and you will see they've got a start update button and a start VMB Pro, and an email and a code section. You want to leave this completely empty. Leave the email and the code empty. Just click on Start VMB Pro. It will ask you for a new version of VMB Pro is available. Make sure you click no, because if you click yes, it's going to update it, and then it's going to ask you for login details that you don't have. And you can see the program opens up perfectly fine. You can enter your keyword, and you can also enter your from competitors, just like I showed you. So that is how you can get this program for free. So make sure you go ahead, subscribe, and comment down below that you have subscribed with the notifications on, and I will send it to you. But if you guys enjoyed this video, Make sure to leave a like on this video. I really appreciate all of your support on the channel. Every one of you subscribed means a lot to me. All of you showing support, as I say, means the world to me. And I love coming up with these new ways of showing you guys how to make money online, these various different business models for you guys. I really love doing this. But if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe down below so I can send you a notification every time I upload a video. And if you're ready for tomorrow's video, comment down below if there's anything else that you'd like to see, or if there's any problem that you have with regards to making money online, and I will come up with a solution for you. But until then, take care, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.